Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It has been a while. How are you all? I hope you're all doing fantastic. It's been a while since the last time I've uploaded. I believe it was the check out my new front end video, and that was like the day before I started work, like 4 or 5 months ago. So that's nice, but I just want to make a quick video for you guys. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is awesome. I posted on Instagram about it. This car is 18 years old. It's shocking to me that there's this much of a fan base, I guess, for this car and for me and just all that kind of stuff. So I appreciate every last subscriber. That is so cool. That's awesome. I didn't think that would happen. And yeah, it took a while, but that's also mostly because I don't post very often. But still, that is awesome. So thank you all very much. That is so cool. I also want to talk a little bit about the build and kind of where it is right now. So the Celica's alright. Celica's doing okay. So the check engine light, I know I've made a million posts about this on Instagram and on YouTube, whatever. The check engine light ended up being a bad catalytic converter, which was my worst fear. So that's what it was. It took a million tries for it to get fixed. Honestly, it was really, really weird. We took it in and got it replaced, and then it was making this weird rattle and this weird like clicking sound. It was so strange. So we took it back and got a brand new cat, and that was okay. And that one kind of did sort of similar the same thing, so it was weird. So we took it back to them again, and they kind of tightened some stuff up and did whatever. And it was just a mess. It was a nightmare. We took it back 2 or 3 times after that. It was so strange. But eventually, I guess it kind of fixed itself. It, I guess, kind of settled in or whatever. I don't know how they work, but whatever. So that's fixed. That's fine. And then a few weeks after that, or a month or so after that, I got new tires. So that's all that's really happened to the car. Just new tires and the new cat. So really, nothing fun or anything. But I do still have a cold air intake that I got over a year ago. But it didn't come with any of the mounting hardware, so I want to get the mounting hardware for that and then install that, kind of do a video for that, and then just maybe some other cool stuff down the road with this car. So that is my plan. That is the current state. It's in alright shape, like I said. So I can't complain all that much about this car. It is 18 years old. It does have a little bit of rust. I would still love to get new doors for this thing, but I don't know how much that would be worth it. I'd love to get new wheels, but again, I don't know how much that'd be worth it. So I have actually been looking into getting, just looking into other Celicas across the United States, seeing, you know, where some good deals could be. I'm looking at GTSs, I'm looking at 6-speed manuals, I'm looking at pretty much stock condition, and I honestly would love to get a yellow one. So if any of you guys know of any bright yellow Celica GTSs in good condition, pretty much stock, hopefully, you know, leather interior and 6-speed manual, let me know, because I would snatch that thing up, and that'd be awesome for this channel. So definitely if you guys see that, keep your eyes peeled and let me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think about the build or future Celica, future channel cars, whatever. Let me know down below. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.